I just got back from Lowe's and I got my ceiling. I picked out my ceiling. So now, next step, got the insulation that's in there. Fix any leaks because I'm finding some leaks, and then put the insulation back and then put the ceiling up. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look at how cute. Look at how gorgeous these panels are. And I'm gonna do LED strips in between. How cute! Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you saw, I was able to pick out my ceiling panels, and in this video I'm going to be prepping and installing them. I will also be doing my nails, and I will include the timestamp that you can skip to if you just want to watch that. So here I am just removing the sheet that I had used to cover up the insulation as a temporary ceiling, and then you'll see me take out all the insulation. Here I am using window weld to kind of reattach the roof. The roof had been making noises because it wasn't attached everywhere, so I went through and found all the places where it wasn't attached. So I used the window weld to reattach the ceiling, and then I went through with caulk, and I caulked around all the places that I had found leaks. And here we are putting the insulation back in. I did recruit my mom and my sister to help me with this, so thank you so much to them. So I went through and put all the insulation back in, and then here we are going in with the first panel. My sister did end up having to leave, so it was just me and my mom that ended up finishing the rest. And this wasn't the whole ceiling, it didn't go all the way to the front, but it did cover enough that I can figure out the rest later. And let me tell you, it is such a relief to have this insulation covered up, and it looks beautiful. It's just so much fun to see it all coming together. Slowly but surely, it's coming together. And now we're just doing the cutout for the roof vent. The next video will be me cutting and installing the fan insert, so stay tuned for that if you want to watch it. It was a little bit of a mess, but it worked out. And here it is, mostly done. Here's a nail portion of this video. I am trying out the Apres Gel X kit for the first time. And spoiler alert, I absolutely love it. The tips are gorgeous. They're such a beautiful length, and they're strong. I haven't broke one yet, and they last really well as well with the primer and the dehydrator and the tip primer. I just love the whole thing. I also did my 9-year-old sister's nails with this kit, and they have lasted about 3 weeks without any of them falling off or breaking, so this kit gets a 10 out of 10 from me. So I did go through with the dehydrator first, and then I went in with the primer, and I think I did 2 coats of that. And then I just went in with the Extend Gel, did a thin coat, and then I cured that. And now I'll go in with the tip primer and just prime the underside of the tip, and then go in with the Extend Gel again and cure that on my nail. And before I cure, I make sure that they're straight. Sometimes, no matter how hard I try, they don't come out straight, but the effort's there. Also, this curing light that came with the kit is life-changing. I love it so much. It's so cute and so fun. Once all the tips are on, it's time to paint, and I did go in with a nude base just to paint on, and then this is my inspiration picture. This set was so fun to recreate. I love how colorful it is, and it was just so fun. For this nail, I decided to go in with a gem in the middle instead of a smiley face. So first I went in with my gem gel, and then I went right over top of that with my top coat without curing, and then I put the gem on, and then I cured that. I'm pretty sure I learned that from Long Hair Pretty Nails on YouTube, and it works really great every time I've used it. So that's the way that I put gems on. And for the last step, I go in with my cuticle oil, and these are the nails all done. And there's my baby. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'd love to hear your feedback. And don't forget to subscribe. Here are the nails that I did for my little sister and the inspiration picture.